In this video, we're going to be talking about a new rugged phone from Samsung that gives you custom buttons, and you can also replace the battery. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. We have a new rugged phone from Samsung, as you guys saw in the title down below. Now, we haven't seen too many types of rugged phones like this. I think the last one that was really big was like the S7 Edge rugged. At least that's really the last one that I remember. It seems like Samsung is doing contracts with different companies that do construction and other stuff like that. So this doesn't have too much of a presence inside of the tech world. This is something that people will be talking about, I'm sure, but it's not going to be super huge. But this may be a phone that you want later on, and we're going to be talking about the price, the specifications, and everything that goes into this phone. So as you guys saw, it says Samsung's new rugged phone has custom buttons and a replaceable battery. It's launching in the US along with a rugged tablet after debuting in other markets. So it says Samsung is adding yet another phone to its US lineup. The Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro is a rugged device designed primarily for industrial and enterprise use. Unlike Samsung's flagship Galaxy S22 family or premium foldable Galaxy Z phones, it will launch in the US on October 22nd after first debuting in other markets, and it's the South Korean company's first rugged phone with 5G compatibility. US pricing hasn't been announced yet. The Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro can withstand drops up to 1.5 meters. According to Samsung, it comes with a few specific features that aren't found on most phones, including programmable buttons. So we have those mappable buttons. That is definitely going to be useful when you're wearing things like gloves. I'm sure people in construction and other jobs like that definitely know that's a useful thing. They also have replaceable batteries, which is another great thing. If you're on the job and you're building something, maybe you're an architect and you guys are in the middle of the project, a dead battery is definitely going to mess up that project. So it's great that we have a replaceable battery on this. Is this something that a lot of people have been wanting? It also says Samsung is also launching its rugged tablet. It's going to be $649, Galaxy Tab Active 4 Pro in the US today. So that's great. Both devices were already announced for other markets earlier this year and retain many of the same features. They're both military 810H compliant, meaning they've undergone specific testing designed by the US military to withstand a certain threshold of altitude, humidity, immersion, salt, fog, dust, vibration, and drops. The Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro and Galaxy Tab Active 4 Pro both have replaceable batteries, but the tablet can also function without a battery, drawing power from a vehicle or kiosk if needs to be used continuously. The phone and the tablet both support 5G. It also says each device has programmable buttons that can be customized to act as a shortcut for launching specific apps or features. While replaceable batteries and custom buttons sound like useful features for any phone, the Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro and Galaxy Tab Active 4 Pro were designed primarily for industrial use. Examples include public safety workers that might need to use the programmable button as a push-to-talk shortcut, or people working in transportation and logistics who may need to quickly communicate with dispatchers or leave devices in their vehicles under extreme weather conditions. Now on the inside, the Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 778 processor, 6GB of RAM, and 128GB of internal storage that can be expanded to 1TB via microSD card. It has a 6.6-inch screen and a dual lens camera with 50 megapixels and 8 megapixel sensors. It's also one of the few smartphones to still come with a 3.5mm headphone jack. It's rated at IP68 for dust and water resistance, and it has a scratch-resistant Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Since these devices are designed for enterprise and industrial use, they'll both be available through Amazon Business and IT channel partners, in addition to Samsung's website. The Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro is also coming to certain carriers, although Samsung hasn't said which ones. So is this something that you guys are interested in? I know this may be something for private use as well, and as you heard, it's going to be available on Amazon Business. So this is more for like companies and stuff like that source these products from Samsung, and they sign these contracts where they get a bunch of them for their employees. But I'm pretty sure you can buy one of these independently as well through Samsung's website. I may actually take a look at this if you guys are interested, and maybe some of you may have these at your job already if you guys are international viewers on this channel. If you are, let me know how they work so far in the comments down below. But is this something that you guys are interested in? Is this something you guys would like to have around your workspace? Definitely let me know in the comments down below. But hopefully this information was valuable to you. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Again, this has been Safan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.